Hi, welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now let me discuss about the title of the process. The title of the process is Typicality based collaborative filtering recommendation. Now let me discuss about the abstract of our process. Collaborative filtering is an important and popular technology for recommender systems. These methods are classified into user-based CF and item-based CF. The basic idea of user-based CF approach is to find out the set of users who have the similar favorite patterns to the given user, that is, neighbors of the users, and recommend to the user those items that other users in the same set like, while the item-based CF approach aims to provide a user with the recommendation on an item based on the other items with a high correlation, that is called neighbors of the item. In all collaborative filtering methods, it is a significant step to find users or items neighbors, that is a set of similar items. Currently, almost all CF methods measure user similarity or item similarity based on correlated items of users, that is called common users of items. Correlated. In this, we propose a typicality based collaborative filtering approach named Tycho, in which the neighbors of users are found based on user typicality in user groups instead of correlated items of users. It investigates the collaborative filtering recommendation from a new perspective and presents a novel typicality based collaborative filtering recommendation method called Tycho. In Tycho, a user is represented by a user typicality vector that can indicate the user preferences on each kind of items. A distinct feature of Tycho is that it selects neighbors of users by measuring user similarity based on the typicality degrees instead of correlated items by users. Such a feature can overcome several limitations of traditional collaborative filtering methods. So it is a first work that applies typically for collaborative filtering. We conduct experiments to evaluate Tycho and demonstrate the advantages of Tycho. In Tycho, there are some pre-processing procedures such as constructing user prototype by clustering and measuring user typicality in user groups. The cost of the pre-processing procedure depends on the particular clustering method used. This is the abstract of our process. Now let me discuss about the data flow diagram of our process. First of all, our process starts with user registration. After user registered into the process, user enter into the login page. After we enter into the login, if he or she is an authenticated user, they enter into the searching process. They search by using keyword. Here we are using ebook dataset and also movie dataset. Based on ebook, here we retrieve results and identify users who are searched that book what we given based upon the what we given keyword. Then after that we have to recommend the results based upon the user. Then we have to retrieve the results, efficient results, by using movie dataset. In that dataset we are having movie informations and then user informations and rating information. So by using three datasets, here we retrieve the efficient results and basic results and recommend those results to a particular user. This is a data flow diagram of our process. Now let me discuss about the demo of our process. First, how to run. Here we are using two datasets. One is a ebook, another one is a movie dataset. First we have to run by using ebook dataset. So just right click on that frame home.java and home page will be displayed here. Our title is typicality based collaborative filtering recommendation and click next. So we have to browse our dataset and select our dataset. So this is our dataset, book dataset, and we have to load the dataset in the database and click next. So after we view the dataset and click next. So I have to enter your name, then enter your mail ID, the number. So your unique ID will be generated for you. So 1362 and enter your name. Log in here. So authenticate user. So here you load the information and view. Here rating information will be displayed here. So search based on the publisher name. So just choose any one of the keyword and search book by using author name. So next find and predict, only one result will be here, and click next. Results will be displayed here, and evaluate here. So we can search by keyword, some other keywords also. So when I put Oxford University, so search, results will be displayed here. So classical mythology, enter author name, so search and enter, find, predict, find best results, and click next. Results will be displayed here. Evaluate. Here we evaluate the based upon the parameter time taken. Here we use a proposed system and existing system for the particular recommendation. Then we are going to run based on movie data set. Just click on the frame and click run file and click next, and load user data, and it will be loaded successfully. View and load movie information, view and load rating data, and it will be loaded until that we have to process. That information will be printed on our console. So rating information will be successfully, and click view. Informations will be viewed here, and click next. So pre-processing will be applied here. So pre-process, and for each and every data set we have to pre-process that particular data. So for user information, here we pre-process the data. For movie information, here we pre-process the data. And click pre-processed data and click next. So here it will pre-process the data and pre-process data, and click next. So enter any keyword, and for that keyword here we retrieve 135 results, and here we view the relevant results. This is a complete demo for the project. Thank you for watching.